After shedding over 2% each last month, the benchmark Sensex closed the first week of September with strong gains of 1.9% and Nifty at 2%. The gains were pulled in by frontline winners including index heavyweight Larsen & Toubro, power majors NTPC, power grid and banking shares. The new week remains crucial for equity markets from a macro perspective, with investors eyeing August consumer and wholesale inflation data both in India and the US. According to a Reuters poll, India's retail inflation due on Tuesday, September 12, is expected to have eased to 7% in August, likely led by cooling vegetable prices from a 15-month high of 7.44% in July. Analysts, however, believe that the market may not react significantly to the inflation data as the higher trajectory has been factored in. Besides, the coming festival season is a key near-term factor that Dalal Street will track for cues on consumer demand.
With the recent resurgence in crude prices, particularly led by interventions done by OPEC economies, inflation will be an event to continuously watch out for. However, we believe the markets may not react significantly given that we already have seen meaningfully higher surprises on this data front. Apart from inflation, market will also take cues on the development of the monsoon on the domestic front, the sustained demand momentum and the upcoming festive season.
That said, ample action is due across global markets as well this week. Investors will be tracking US consumer inflation reading for August is scheduled on Wednesday, September 13. The European Central Bank's rate decision, wholesale inflation data in India and the US, and industrial output and retail sales in China will be watched the following day on September 14. Back home, the headline indices may scale record highs this week.
With momentum clearly in favor of the bulls, the Nifty seems on course to test the 20,000 mark. On its way up, the index may face some resistance around 19,960. On the upside, the index has the potential to rally to 20,400. The bias is likely to remain positive as long as the Nifty holds 19,700. Break of the same could trigger a fall to 19,525. Meanwhile, the Sensex may swing in the range of 65,700 to 67,700 this week.
Today on September 11, the market may see stock-specific reaction to important deals and partnerships announced from the G20 summit.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
He's about to land his dream job. Business Standard.